How can we use Amplenote, okay? This note-taking tool. Well, first we have what are called HODs, right? Which lets us create new notes and more. Got it? Here we can see how many notes we've made, okay? We add tags to classify notes, understand? I think we can exit this now, alright? Here are all notes, sortable by last changed. In tasks, we can create tasks too, see? And view all our tasks, okay? As you can see, I've finished quite a few. We also have the calendar, right, where we can view all days of the week. Here we can add tasks, for example, or visualize the task, got it? Like saying, I've completed this task now, and here it shows when you completed the task, okay? When you click the tick here, for example, you can also add tasks from here, all right? Type it in and hit add. Enter the time it takes to do the task here. We have graphs here, which we can't see now, but they're different, basically notes, okay? That's pretty much it. The tool is really just about that, you know, taking notes, doing tasks, setting tasks, and a calendar, that's all. If you want to share, you can do that too, okay? Just hit share here and you're done. And you can change the public profile, switch to light mode, okay, and so on. That's how you use this tool. It's that simple.